Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Tatton VW show. We're here with Mark II Owners Club. This is Mark II Golf Stories. Let's take a look around. Myself, nice 4-button wheel. Been wanting one of these since I got the car, so who fucking ready? These are very cool. Do you like a G40? Stu, sorry mate, about to make you a little bit jealous. You ready? Really shiny driver. Come on Stu, tell us what you think of that. Pretty unusual, isn't it, James?
It's like a stormtrooper.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a target top, look.
It's very unusual.
Vilcus, I presume it's a
aftermarket thing, yeah, that is.
Somebody who's produced it,
really
coached
weird.
over.
Yeah. Very unusual. Very cool. This is next level. I'm not sure if the paint is actually coming out on camera on this thing. Can you see that? Beautiful. Boys from Dysfunctional Dubs are here again. See if we can find some of them. James's golf is here. Don't know where he's gone. This thing's pretty cool. Pretty unusual. I like it. This beetle here is also unusual. Check out the doors on it. Suicide doors. Fucking cool. The roof's off. Loads of cool beetles again. Look at this one here. That is very silly. I love this, and I love how far forward the front wheels are. That is really cool. Of course, Karmann gears. Absolutely stunning. Only seems to be, oh, there's more than two. Some down here. I walked around the show 3 times. How could I have missed them all? Absolutely beautiful machines. Got a mate who's restoring one of these. Maybe one day I'll get to have a chat to him about it. But in the meantime, enjoy these beauts. It's this guy who we saw at German car day at Avro. Very cool. If you want to see that video, click this icon in the top right hand corner. Beetles do look very cool, Porsche wheels. VW Nova, very cool, not to be confused with the Eagle. Look who's here, hooray! Now someone tell me, is this the same yellow as my Golf? I've always thought they were very similar, but yeah, who knows? This is a cool Golf. I was hoping to chat to its owner. Unfortunately, I haven't managed to meet up with him today, but I've a little look around it anyway. It is pretty cool. So if anyone can tell me what this is out of, Jim thinks it might be out of a Beamer. I'm not too sure, maybe an Audi I'm thinking. Very cool, it's going to be pushing some serious horses. I really want to know more about it. Or maybe I'll get to catch up with him another time, another show. Very cool car. Did you know there's over 1,000 cars here and 50 clubs, was it James?
50 clubs, yeah.
Over 50 clubs. Well, the things seem to be winding down now, so I'll say goodbye from me, goodbye from Mr. Sunglasses. Thanks for watching the video. Give us a like and subscribe. If you were here, tell us what your favourite car of the show was.